Hello guys, my name is Jons Balboa. I am from STEM 1204 and I am going to show you how to create an animal cell structure. So without further ado, here is the video. So here we go, and our first step was to create basis for the structural of the animal cell. I am being focused on doing it, as well as trying to create any ideas that will be put in the structure of animal bone cell. In this part of the video, I have already created the foundations of our animal cell. So here are the foundations of animal cell. Here I am still continuing doing my job as creating a foundation or a platform that will serve as my base for my animal cell. So here I come up with an idea that to make a small montage for my base for my animal structure. So here is the small montage. After that small montage, I've continued doing the structure and giving it life here, putting colors to represent the structures of animal cell. So here am I putting the finishing touches of my animal cell structure. Here am I cutting the parts that I will put in the structure gently so that I can't get hurt. So here we go. Here's my representation of my animal cell structure. Here comes the slow pace montage so that you can see how I put the parts and the representation of my animal cell.
Lysosomes are membrane-bounded organelles found in animal and plant cells. They vary in shape, size and number per cell and appear to operate with slight differences in cells of yeast, higher plants A. A mitochondrion is a double membrane-bound organelle found in most eukaryotic organisms. Mitochondria generate most of the cell's supply of adenosine triphosphate, used as a source of chemical energy. A mitochondrion is a double membrane-bound organelle found in most eukaryotic organisms. Mitochondria generate most of the cell's supply of adenosine triphosphate, used as a source of chemical energy. ROF endoplasmic reticulum RER, series of connectivity flattened sacs, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, that plays a central role in the synthesis of P. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salts, and proteins. All of the organelles in eukaryotic cells, such as the A centrosome is a cellular structure involved in the process of cell division. Proteins called microtubules assemble into a spindle between the two centrosomes and help separate the replicated. The cell membrane is a biological membrane that separates the interior of all cells from the outside environment, which protects the cell from its environment. A nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains the cell's chromosomes. The nuclear envelope, also known as the nuclear membrane, is made up of two lipid bilayer membranes that in eukaryotic cells surrounds the nucleus, which encases the genetic material. Nucleoplasm is a type of protoplasm that is composed of thick fluid and constitutes chromatin fibers made up of DNA, and usually found in the nucleus of the eukaryotic cells.
And that's all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the video and had learned something from the video. So, sayonara and may God bless you. Peace. Yeah.